Hi guys, so yan o, kita nyo guys, nabili ko na yung gusto ko guys. Thank you honey.
I love you baby.
Yan guys, bago kong collection guys, backpack. Wala ako nito pero may mga gifts na ako, shoulder bag, sliding bag. Ito lang ang wala sa akin guys. Ayan yung price pero hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo guys. Ayan, what is this? Plastic. Ayan, mag-ano tayo guys. Mag-open. Puro plastic. Ang laman guys. Hanggang dito. Oh, puro plastic guys.
Yes, for stay good.
Yeah. Ayan yung laman niya guys. Oh. May lalagyan dito, secret. Yan. At saka may dito din maliit. At saka maraming zipper guys. Oh. Ito zipper. At saka ito din maliit na zipper.
I like the zipper. What look have these small ones?
Yes. And oh, have also here secret. Oh, maraming bulsa siya guys. At saka meron pa dito, oh, hindi ka talaga mananakawan. Nobody can steal. Yan. Guys, yung bag na nabili ko kanina. At saka ito. Yun. At saka may maliit pa siya guys, so how to put this one outside, no? May maliit din siya pala guys, pang coins. Ayan. Lagay ko muna nito dito guys. May maliit din siya guys, pang coins siya. Yan o, pang coins siya guys. Kaso, paano siya how to
Have here, same the key for the key.
Huh?
Same for the key. Open.
But it's very hard. You make look na? Huh?
Yes.
You can open. Mahirap siya tanggalin guys, so nagpatulong na nga ako sa asawa ko guys.
It's here, but I don't know.
It's very hard. Maybe it's only there. No, maybe cannot take out,
maybe
huh? Only this, huh? Yay! Yan guys. Thank you, honey.
Only this you put. Okay. Before I put on. The problem, my hands is big.
Now give me, I put the...
No, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yes.
Yay! Yes, I cut that one. The scissor. Yan guys, natanggal na siya guys. Kaya lang, kailangan pa ng scissor. Yan. Yan guys. Ayoko siyang ilagay sa labas. Kasi syempre, baka manaka-refer. Coins siya guys, oh, pang coins. Yan. At saka, ito. security. Okay, so, ready na siya. It's nice, honey?
Of course. Very beautiful.
Very nice.
You go for school.
Meron ako, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, honey.
I love you, baby.